inches.
Hey,
Close your
Judy,
eyes.
what you doing?
Your lips are too fat.
That's the point.
Okay. Don't breathe. Close your eyes.
Don't bring it close to your eyes. Just die.
Oh God.
Just stop living.
I'm gonna put it in.
No, don't. Hold on.
Yeah, let's go with some
Okay.
purple vodka right
How did you guys do it?
now. No, we'll do it
Judy's
again.
not scared.
We'll do it again.
Yeah, do it again.
No, we're not doing it yet.
Okay, close your eyes. I can't. Every time. Stop.
Can I see?
Seriously, it's hella
Wait.
blocked.
Hey, what's worse?
How old are you?
Seriously.
It's the face.
Just don't look at it.
Wait, your lips are too out.
Zone in.
Okay.
Zone in
You
on
want
the
Charles to
chocolate.
smile?
Zone in on the chocolate. You just eat it.
Stop covering it.
I can't look at his face.
Here, you close your eyes and estimate.
No. Okay. Can you guys not look?
Hey, stop blocking him then.
Why?
Hey, I'll cover him with a piece of paper.